So, friends, today's topic is fear of success. So, any insight during the meditation? आपको कुछ अनुभूति हुई है कि आपको ये से डर लगता है या फिर ये हो जाएगा तो डर इसीलिए आप सक्सेस नहीं चाहते हो? Anybody wants to share? Anandita, Momita joined after quite some days. So, friends, I was talking about Momita last time, if you remember. When I was teaching you the Siddha Kriya, आपको मैंने बोला था कि कैसे हम लोग अपनी आंखों को ऊपर की तरफ रख के मेडिटेशन करते हैं और स्लोली स्लोली ये हमारा आदत हो जाना चाहिए. या half open, half closed, a little above. And I was sharing Momita's example how she, even when she sits, because during therapy we didn't have much time. She was at my place. आधे घंटे का टाइम था because her husband was coming to pick her up. And she immediately went into trance. This is friends, this is not just, it's not just किसी ने बोल दिया है. Just try yourself. In the beginning, it's not a habit. That's why it pains. After a certain point of time, it becomes a habit. And you will see how easily you can go into meditation just by taking your eyes up. For Momita, I didn't even had to go take her into, like normally in therapy, I do relaxation, I do so many things, and then I take people into, in deep, um, like hypnosis. But for her, I didn't need anything because this mudra itself will take you into deep states. Okay, try to practice on your own. अपने हमेशा कोशिश कीजिएगा जब भी आप मेडिटेट कर रहे हो, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इसका प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. ओके. सेकंड इज फ्रेंड्स, टू आज का मीनिंग है, आज का है पॉइंट है फियर ऑफ सक्सेस. सो लेट मी शेयर माय स्टोरी. मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि यू विल शेयर लेटर. सो मेरा स्टोरी ये है कि I have gone to past lives. Okay, I can go to past lives, and also I have gone for past life retreats. And so I had two fears. Okay, one is, for some reason I want to, मुझे लोगों की मदद करना, मेडिटेशन स्प्रेड करना बहुत कुछ अच्छा लगता है. एट द सेम टाइम डीप डाउन मुझ में ये भी है कि बहुत ज्यादा लोग मुझे ना देखे. ओके. मुझे आई हैव अ वेरी शाई नेचर. मैं आई एम लाइक आई हैव अ एम्बीवर्ट बोलते हैं ना, एम्बीवर्ट. एम्बीवर्ट है जहाँ पे बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगता है वहां पे मैं खुल के सब कुछ बता सकती हूँ. एट द मोमेंट मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ पे सेफ नहीं हूँ, मैं ऐसी शट डाउन करूंगी कि उस मुझसे कोई कुछ नहीं निकाल पाएगा. ओके. एंड most of the time, because you guys are my friends, you see my this nature where I'm extrovert, but I don't like to open up too much. और मुझे इवन मेरे YouTube भी ना, मैं बहुत ज्यादा उस पे यू नो काम नहीं करती. अभी थोड़ा बहुत करने लगी हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ माय वॉलंटियर्स. दे हेल्प मी. एंड बट जब पोस्ट करती भूल जाती. एंड नो प्रमोशन, नहीं कुछ नहीं, एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड ये बहुत सालों से है मेरा. एंड मुझे लगता था कि मैं क्यों नहीं चाहती हूँ, मैं क्यों नहीं. why? because I want also na to do seva. It's not just for name and fame. I want to serve people, I want to take care of others. दूसरों की मदद मैं करना चाहती हूँ. ओके. लेकिन मैं क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ? तो I, when I went into past life, I saw that, another reason. Acha, another point is that for in my life, I have multiple challenges. Okay. One after another. My life is not easy. And I'm sure most of your lives are not easy. Spiritual people का always life easy नहीं होता है because हम इसी जन्म में we want to attain enlightenment. Okay. That's why sometimes it's not easy. Okay, but my life is like, one ends, other comes up. Okay. And I many times, In the past, I used to feel very powerless, very, you know, I used to feel okay, no matter what I do, I feel very powerless. Maybe it would not, whatever I'm trying to achieve, maybe it will not be successful or whatever that is. हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा होता था कि at the end of the day I would feel very powerless. Okay. And when I went and, Dr. Newton, Dr. Lakshmi says that in this life, it's not just one, two, we have lived multiple lives, 350 lives, 300, 350 lives, or even more. And so many things we have done in this life, in the past lives, that they will impact our behavior, our attitude, how we act, what we fear. All these things will impact. And when I did my past life regression, I realized I was a very, very powerful lady. Even in past lives, also, I was very spiritual, very thing. But at the same time, because of the power, I started misusing also my power because I had so much of power. I started misusing my power in some ways. And at the same time, many people misunderstood my power also. दो कर्मा, एक तो मैंने भी कर्मा किया, दूसरा है कि in past, in Europe, many women were burnt down just telling that they are witches. आपने सुना है ना, चुड़ैल बोलते थे. Have you heard about this? कि चुड़ैल चुड़ैल. And in Europe, it was very famous called witches. The witches were nobody but very, very famous, very, very powerful ladies. Very, very, enlightened, almost enlightenment के तरफ जा रहे हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी थोड़े बहुत, नेक पावर से कुछ और भी हो जाता है ना. You get, you know, derailed. But at the same time, very powerful, almost about to attain enlightenment kind of ladies. But people in Europe, they never used to understand. Many witches were burnt down because people didn't understand that they were so, spiritually powerful. Not, they were not witches, they're just enlightened ladies, almost going to get. So when I did my past life regression, I saw that I was persecuted because of my powers. तो इस वजह से इस जन्म में ना मैं अपने पावर्स दिखाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. दैट इज व्हाट आई फियर ऑफ सक्सेस. बिकॉज मैं सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊंगी तो मेरे पावर्स लोग देख लेंगे. मैं अपने पावर को अपने पास रखना चाहती हूँ. Okay. So this is how, when we know, now I have started working and understanding that, okay, that was my lesson, that I didn't know how to use my powers properly, but I'm quite wise now. I never use my power wrongly. Hmm? I always use my power for the right reason. So now I am ready to have whatever I need to have in my life, whether it is successful, whatever. Yeah, successful is also needed, right? If you have to spread meditation, transform others' life. अदरवाइज लोग आपके पास कैसे आएंगे वो, अगर उनको पता नहीं कि शी इज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल लेडी. So this is how sometimes we have, sometimes we also don't want money. Hmm? Money hum, there are, there was another life, and it's so deep rooted that now still I have a lot of fear around my son. For Ridan, Ridan takes so much of my time and attention that for some reason he becomes the center of my life. And I make sure that he's protected, he's safe. I don't want to go out of my house so that he's safe and everything. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि मैं अपने रिदान को लेकर इतनी प्रोटेक्टिव क्यों हूँ. एंड उसकी वजह से मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट मनी, आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग, बट फॉर मी माय सन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. दैट्स व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू फील. When I went into past life regression, I saw that I was a widow queen. Okay, my king died, and I was a widow queen. And Ridan is the same was the same son I had in that life. And in that life, my son was killed in front of me, and then I was killed because of the wealth. Somebody wanted to take over the kingdom. And I was, there was no man. I was the queen. I was taking charge. And finally, this happened. So during the time of death, I felt that, oh my God, money can kill your son too. So I will never want money. Yeah. In this life also, for a long time, I used to have this fear. Hmm? कि कि कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Ridan, if you know, for Ridan I can sacrifice everything, and I didn't know what is the reason. The reason was deep down that I had this fear that if I by chance start earning money, see how beliefs form. Past life से भी belief form होता है, okay? कि I felt that if by chance I start earning a lot of money, some harm will happen to Ridan, okay? And that's why I don't want money. It came from that life. Hmm? That life. And I had to work a lot to overcome that. So friends, this is how, ये तो past life, present life में बिना जाने भी, we will just figure it out. We will know that in so many ways we have fear of success. Okay, what's the fear of success? There are so many things that, you know, sometimes we feel that कि you know, जो भी मैं, you know, fear of success say, you know, what are the things that can be surrounding, you know, or thought process for different people will might have different thought processes. Some might think कि, you know, if I earn a lot of money I might lose it too. So why to earn if I lose it? Because you have a fear of so much of fear failure कि that you have a fear of success also. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मैं लूज कर जाऊंगा, तो you know मैं what's the point in gaining if I lose? So I have a fear of success in that way. Okay, then again I say that then there might be another way of thinking that what if people love me only for my success, people love me only for my fame, name, and money. They really cannot, they don't love me truly deep down. Hmm? It happens with a lot of celebrity friends. You know, you will see celebrities. Why are celebrities very lonely? बहुत लोग हैं उनके चारों तरफ. Okay, have you seen celebrities? No, no matter what celebrity, which area, that with a singer, dancer, or whatever, you know, spiritual guru or anything. But spiritual gurus are different, you know, they have already trained themselves to enjoy their loneliness and all these things. But these people who are shallow, yeah, that for them, you know, when they go into so much of success, they find lot of fake friends, and they feel that, oh, I don't have real friends who really love me for who I am. Some will come to them for money, some will come to them to show that, see, I have a famous friend. You know, that is also another way. Maybe they don't want anything, but they want to tell others that, see, Shah Rukh Khan is my friend. Okay, so in so many ways, then you have a fear of, then these people that you know they don't want to be successful, thinking that, you know, people will not love me for who I am. Okay, then again, people have this fear that if I, you know, highest taxpayer. Okay, you know, there's some people have a fear that if I earn a lot of money, then I have to pay also a lot of tax. Oh my god, what a headache. कितना पैसा देना पड़ेगा मुझे. ओके, इससे तो अच्छा मुझे सक्सेस ही ना मिले, पैसा ही ना मिले. Okay, but friends, when we are earning so much of money, we if we give away also a lot of tax, then also we are left with a lot of money. ऐसा नहीं है कि पैसा नहीं रहेगा, पैसा जितना आएगा उतना हम देने के बाद भी बढ़ेगा ना. मीन्स 100 रुपए का टैक्स 10% होगा, 1000 रुपए का टैक्स, यू नो, 100 रुपीज होगा. तो बचेगा कितना? मेरे पास 900 रुपए बचेंगे. 100 रुपए में बचेगा कितना? मेरे पास 90 रुपए बचेंगे. सो द मोर द अमाउंट आई अर्न, द मोर आई कैन सेव, इवन इफ आई गिव अवे द टैक्स. आई हैव टू नाउ, यू नो, train my mind in that way. Okay, then uh, then again, many people, you know, uh, some people fear that, you know, I don't want to become successful because it's so much of hard work that I will lose my peace of mind, I will lose my health, I will lose my family time. They have a lot of fear around losing a lot of things. हम्म? देखो, सक्सेस के साथ ना कुछ कुछ चीजें तो जाएंगे, बट व्हेन वी आर मेडिटेटर्स उतना भी नहीं जाएगा, because we will become balanced and we will know how to have a family time, how to have make sure I take care of my health despite of whether I'm working a lot, earning money or not. You know, we are spiritual people, we are not just random people. We will have the wisdom to balance, right? But many people will have this fear that success aega, so I will lose a lot of things. Uh, and then they also feel that many people, they fear success because when you become successful, you are in a certain status, okay, as for example middle class, okay, you are in a certain, and you feel very, we want to belong, right? We all love to belong. We want to belong to our family, we want to belong to a friend. This is human nature. Human being is social, right? Social being, we are social beings. So क्या होता है, सक्सेस से क्या होता है, अचानक से हमारा सडन एक स्टेटस जंप होता है, राइट? लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस. For that, many people have this fear that you will see then these friends, they have, because they become very uncomfortable, right? It is triggering कि friends को trigger कर रहा है कि मेरा दोस्त आगे चला गया. I have, we I have seen these cases where one is targeted just because he is going up. Hmm? And then what happens, this person feels left out, thinking that my family, my friends, they are all leaving me because I am becoming successful. So because of this fear कि मैं सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊंगा तो मेरे फैमिली मुझे क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, और आई हैव टू लीव माय हर्ड. That's why I don't want to be successful. I want to remain like my father. Sometimes we don't want to be successful because family lineage से मेरे father कभी इतना successful नहीं हुए, और मैं पापा को, I told you, right? Blind loyalty में आता है family constellation में. I don't want to be successful because my father was this much successful, so I would be only this much. Okay, this is how we stop our own success and just try to figure it out. आप में क्या है? Okay. um yeah. uh, So again, many people have a fear that when I will have a lot of money, people will try to take that money from me. Hmm? Or maybe my kids can be kidnapped. Hmm? It happens, right? Many billionaire, I heard that somebody's kid was kidnapped. So होता भी है. और अगर आप वाइजली चलते हो इन एवरीथिंग, नहीं भी होगा. अगर आप अपने बच्चे को सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के साथ रखोगे एंड वॉट एवर इट इज, दैट पर्सन विल नॉट बी किडनैप्ड. बट अगेन इट हैज, यू स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग fear that some harm will happen to my kids and my family if I earn a lot of money, because all eyes will be on me, and they will try to kidnap my family to get that money out of me. Okay, this can also be a fear. See, check. After this class, I just one more point, and then I will ask you, what fear do you have? And everybody has to name something. Okay. So, and then it is too much responsibility. बहुत ज्यादा responsibility है. Successful हो जाऊंगी तो टैक्स संभालना पड़ेगा मुझे, सब कुछ समझना पड़ेगा, इन्वेस्टमेंट समझना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज पैसा आएगा तो आई हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट, वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट, व्हाट टू डू, ताकि आई ग्रो द मनी एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओ इतना हेडेक किसको लेना है भाई? नहीं चाहिए. आई डोंट वांट सक्सेस, आई डोंट वांट मनी. Okay, so this is how, in so many ways, we stop ourselves from being successful. Sometimes it is past life things which is deep rooted, and that's why you don't even know why you don't want to be successful, why you are shying yourself, why don't you want to show yourself to the world. And sometimes because अब इसी birth से ही आपको कुछ traumas हुए हैं जिससे आपको ये हो रहा है. So let me hear who wants to share. Hmm? Neha, I have, let me see, I have people line by line. I have Neha. Yes, Neha. Are you there?
Hello.
Yes, Neha.
Yeah. So I do not have any like fear if I become successful, but I have a fear that maybe something happens to me that I cannot follow my passion. Like, so I have that insecurity. Like I love to teach Zumba. So I have that uh, insecurity that what if
You have a
something
fear of,
happens?
you have a fear of failure kind of a thing. Kuch
Yes, yes, I have failure.
That also
Yeah.
is a fear we need to let go. Ye fear of failure also doesn't allow success. Okay?
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. maybe yes.
या फुल सक्सेस
Yeah.
जो है ना फुल ब्लूम में वो नहीं अलाउ करता है. हु नोज,
Mm-hmm.
यू कैन ग्रो टू इंटरनेशनल लेवल, इंडिया लेवल, ऑनलाइन कितना कुछ कर सकते हो. बट
Mm-hmm.
आप देखो कि नहीं, आप अपने आप को पूछो कि आप क्यों नहीं करना चाहते हो, इतने लार्ज स्केल में क्यों नहीं करना चाहते, आप छोटा सा क्यों करें.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
ओके, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड मे बी देयर इज अ फियर ऑफ सक्सेस ऑल्सो, कुछ तो है
Yeah.
जहाँ पे मैं लार्ज स्केल में नहीं जाना चाहती.
Mm-hmm. Right, right.
ओके,
Yes.
ask yourself. Yes, next I can see Afsanji is not well. Suchita.
Jadi, actually, I have not gone all the cases. I mean, I'm not, I don't know what is the reason, but one or two I can say. One
Hmm.
thing that comes to my mind is when I get successful, how to sustain it. So,
वही मैनेज नहीं कर पाएंगे, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है भाई,
हाँ,
कैसे मैनेज करेंगे.
and and then again वो आता है कि am I that capable enough to success? I mean, मेरे पास उतना स्किल है मैं
हाँ, that is a
uh,
worth problem. Okay, believing in one's worth is so important ना,
hmm,
Suchita.
yeah.
So believing in your worth is important. That is one. And second is you have this fear of success in this area, कि
हम्म,
कैसे मैनेज करेंगे. हाँ,
हाँ तो
एक
उसमें
एक
एक थॉट
रूम का
आता है कि
ऑफिस है, 3 रूम का ऑफिस होगा तो कैसे मैनेज करेंगे.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली तो पीपल आर देयर हु प्ले द पॉलिटिक्स एंड एटलीस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द पॉलिटिक्स आई फील समटाइम्स पीपल कैन इजीली मैनिपुलेट मी एंड जितने ऊपर जाते हैं यू शुड बी अंडरस्टैंड एटलीस्ट द पॉलिटिक्स तो ये सब चीजों में चाहे वो फैमिली रहे चाहे वो प्रोफेशन रहे सो
हम्म.
वो पॉलिटिक्स में कैसे मैनेज कर पाऊंगी एंड देन फिर
हाँ
वो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है अगर मैनेज नहीं कर पाए तो
हाँ हाँ, मुझे भी पॉलिटिक्स से बहुत डर लगता है. बिकॉज मैं
हम्म,
बहुत बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हूँ, मुझे इतना समझ में नहीं आता है. बट एट द सेम टाइम पॉलिटिक्स तभी खेला जा सकता है जब पीपल करेंगे, लेकिन आप अगर प्योर हार्टेड रहते हैं,
हम्म।
प्योर हार्टेड रह के आप अपना काम करते रहते हैं, तो लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा एक टाइम के बाद. यू नो
बट वो
हर
बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो जाता है जी आई कैन शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस एक्चुअली रिसेंटली मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट कर रही थी
हम्म.
इट्स रिलेटेड टू टेक्निकल पावर बीआई डैशबोर्ड तो
हम्म.
वो आइकिया में एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे तुम तुम्हारे बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस शेयर कर सकते हो यू कैन
हम्म.
सबमिट इट एंड देन इट इज ग्लोबली अप्रूव्ड एंड फिर आपको एक मेल आ जाता है कि दिस इज योर बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस एंड अदर कंट्री कैन फॉलो फ्राइडे
हम्म.
को मुझे ये मेल आया ऐसे एंड it's purely hearted. I shared this with my other lady. She is from IT Digital. I am from supply chain. Today,
हम्म.
what happened? What she did, she has forwarded this link and mail on her name in the management team, and everybody is appreciating her where she has not contributed at all. She is just a one part or a starting point to introduce with the vendor. And itna hone ke baad, all empty and everything, she is not telling that this project is not mine, this is Suchita's project. She has taken the credit, and then I was not on that group. My manager told me, see, your credit is gone. You should understand where to share and whom to share.
हाँ, या
So this
सो
happened.
पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करना है बट वाइज होना है.
Yeah.
My first mentor Ikeda Sensei used to say that being spiritual doesn't mean you are gullible. ओके, गलिबल का
Hmm.
मतलब है कि मुझे पता है कि ये ठीक लेडी नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ठीक है, मैं तो स्पिरिचुअल हूँ, मैं तो उदार हूँ, मैं तो अच्छा सबको सब कुछ बता दूंगी एंड एवरीथिंग. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, you know I have a knack of understanding people. For some reason I can, होता है ना intuitively. So there was this group, and there in this group everybody, there was gossip and everything happening, but I immediately understood that there are these two ladies who are the main sutradhar of all the gossips, and they are creating all the problems. Okay, so I used to be always very cautious about sharing anything with them, you know. So it's बहुत पहले से ही मैं ऐसी थी कि I knew that, see, here is no politics, I'm not doing any politics, at the same time I'm not gullible.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm not gullible कि मैं सब कुछ मैं I share a lot. I share a lot with people whom I really trust. But
Hmm.
many people, they will think that, oh, she's so, I might speak, wow, fantastic, ha ha, he, I'll do. But my deepest of the secret, only a few people will only get to know, not everybody. जब मैं उसको ट्रस्ट कर पाऊंगी तभी मैं उसको खोलूंगी उस पिटारे को, नहीं तो नहीं खोलूंगी, वो बंद है.
Hmm.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with politics, it has to do with wisdom.
Hmm.
Okay, another thing I will tell you, that I don't do politics, but I have some rules. Okay, I had a cousin, she has a habit of going too deep into friendships. Okay, and she will go into friendships and everything, and इतना deep जाएगी कि fight करके फिर निकल भी आएगी. So it was, and even before I became spiritual, these are some policies I used to apply in my life, that I will make friend, but I will not go extreme. Okay, I will never go extreme कि मैं इतनी दोस्त बनाऊंगी. मैं बहुत, मेरे मेरे बहुत एक गिने चुने बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं, जहां जहां मुझे पता है कि उनके साथ मैं बहुत डीप जा सकती हूँ. उसके बावजूद मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं एक लेवल तक ही फ्रेंडशिप रखूंगी. बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा एवरी डे बात करोगे, एवरी डे पता है मेरे साथ ये हुआ, पता है मेरे साथ वो हुआ, वाह वाह वाह, 2-3 दिन के बाद ही वही आपके बारे में, आपका ही बात वो किसी और दोस्त को शेयर कर रही होगी. Do you agree or not? This happens with ladies a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. So then why to go into all these things? Balance, middle path, middle path in Buddhism, they talk about middle path. Middle path is always balance. हमेशा अपने आप को बैलेंस में रखो, कभी भी कोई एक्सट्रीम में मत जाओ. ओके, एक्सट्रीम में मत जाने का मतलब ही ये है कि समझना कि कहाँ पे मैं शेयर कर सकती हूँ, कहाँ पे मैं नहीं शेयर कर सकती हूँ, किसको मैं पूरा दोस्त बना सकती हूँ, किसको मैं शैलो में रखूंगी. ये पॉलिटिक्स नहीं है, ये विजडम है. ओके, और
Hmm.
ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी से और ज्यादा ग्रो करता है. डे बाय डे you will get that knack. Okay, whom to trust, whom not to trust, and all these things. Okay, yes, thank you so much, Suchita. Yes, Anandita.
मुझे तो वही फेयर का, जैसे मैं अच्छी बेटी नहीं हूँ और अच्छी बहू भी नहीं हूँ. अब
हम्म.
काम करने लगूंगी और सक्सेस की तरफ जाने लगूंगी तो अच्छी माँ भी नहीं रह पाऊंगी. फिर से
नहीं,
फेल होने का डर है.
हाँ, अच्छी माँ नहीं रह पाऊंगी. यस, बिकॉज हम मम्मियां ना अपने बच्चों से इतना प्यार करते हैं कि हम कुछ भी सेक्रीफाइस कर सकते हैं बच्चों के लिए. ओके, बट टू एन एक्सटेंट, एक टाइम के बाद ना, आप वो पता है वो जो कैटकेटी बंगाली में बोलते हैं ना, कैटकेटी माँ.
हम्म.
अगर आप वो खिटखिटी वाला, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, वेरी वेरी all the time, irritated mother. If you don't want to become an irritated mother, then you should have a life of yours. you know Otherwise, जिस बच्चे से आप इतना प्यार करते हैं, उस बच्चे का लाइफ ही आप हेल बना देंगे आपके इरिटेशन से. So you have to find out, understand कि if I, only when I can love myself, enjoy my life, I can be happy with myself, working, doing whatever I want to do in my life and grow, then only that love, joy can spread out to my family, right? Otherwise, if I'm depressed at home, I'm not doing anything. I'm with my son, but not doing anything. I'm depressed. My depression, my these emotions are spreading to my son, right? तो मैं बच्चे का भला क्या कहाँ कर रही हूँ, बच्चे को तो और बीमार ही कर रही हूँ. Yes, you can leave. Yes, Suchita. Yes. Yeah, you got it? And then we have Momita. You want to share anything? Have you slept off, Momita, or you are there? She has a little daughter, so I don't know whether she's awake or not. And Fuldi is also awake or not. Fuldi, তুমি আছো? They might be off. Fuldi also, she gets very tired at the end of the day. Somehow she manages and she dozes off during the meditation. Okay, great. So we are done. So most of
I'm
them.
very much awake. I'm very much awake and I'm like,
Yeah, Vaishu called Fuldi yesterday. We had a long chat. I hope she informed you.
okay.
For
Yeah,
around
yeah.
2 hours we spoke. Yeah. Thank you so much for introducing her, Fuldi. You know, you've done a great job. She really needs help. She was about to join today, but she did not. I don't know. Yes, Fuldi. Tell me, what is your fear, my cousin? Do you have any fear of success, Fuldi? She's trying to speak, but I think the sound is not coming. Fuldi?
Am I audible?
Yeah. Again, it's gone.
Hello, hi. I'm sorry, I just went for a bio break and I just heard my name
Yeah.
being called. Yeah. I think I very much agree with Suchita. I think she just shared about, politics. So I think I have the same fear, like, of rising
Hmm.
up, because the moment you rise up, you need to handle, like, I mean, you come across a lot of, people, and then like, everyone's
Hmm.
aura or vibration,
Hmm.
doesn't match. So you need to handle, like, this politics, okay?
Hmm.
Be it in your personal life or professional life. And I'm very, very much scared of politics because, like you, I'm very much
Hmm.
straightforward. Okay, so very,
Hmm.
very upfront. Like, I don't know, like, how to sugarcoat or something. Like, जो
Hmm.
है वही बताना है. So I think this is where, like, this is what, takes me into trouble. And then
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, तो वही बात है. And अभी तो ऐसा हो गया ना, I don't want to give explanation. मतलब समझना है समझो, नहीं तो नहीं. Like, so
Hmm.
this this policy doesn't work, like, in workplace. So
Hmm.
by, like,
But at the
by
same time,
God's
that
grace.
yes. But diplomacy. Ikeda Sensei used to talk about diplomacy. Diplomacy doesn't mean that you have to tell lie. Okay, but diplomacy means telling things in such a way that you are telling the truth at the same time. वो इतना भी ज्यादा परेशान नहीं कर रहे सिचुएशन को. एट द सेम टाइम कहाँ पे मुझे बोलना है, अभी ये मुझे बोलना ही है ये बात, एंड हैविंग दैट गट्स टू स्पीक अप. Okay, these are the things that we through meditation will know. We'll have the courage to speak up when it is needed, courage to not speak. Sometimes, because I am blunt, sometimes I feel I just shut myself. कि मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे बोलने से प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो I just shut. I don't even say, I don't lie, but I will shut. तो and there are ways where you can, there are ways. थोड़ा सा अगर चाहिए, I'll give you an example. Yes, I can give you this example. So this my group, right? My chanting group and everything. I had to handle so many women and everything. And sometimes I had to point out their problem. Okay. And nobody likes to hear what drawbacks they have. Huh? But you have to point out, you have no other option, because you are a leader. You have to tell them the right way of, of living life and how to change, where she's going wrong, why she's suffering for so many years, because she has the same kind of thought process. So here what we can do is that first, I praise the person like anything and not lie. I try to figure out and think about, oh, what are the good things about that person. I said, wow, you do this also so well. You have been managing your house so well and all these things. You how good, well spoken you are. And no lies. Whatever her good qualities are, first I will point out all of them. And then, and in that between, I'll suddenly say that, but this thing, I think that is the reason why you are not changing, because this is where you are continuously making the mistake. You are making the same kind of mistake over and over, and that's why it's not working in your life. मैं उसको पॉइंट भी कर रही हूँ, एट द सेम टाइम शी इज नॉट हर्ट, बिकॉज शी इज सो हैप्पी विथ all the praises that she has received. Okay, this is where sometimes diplomacy works, but this has come to me with a lot of art and practice of managing so many ladies. So so it doesn't come on a day, but that's why we need to be with people. बोलते हैं ना, mountain potatoes. In the past organization, my mentor used to say कि we are like mountain potatoes. हम एक दूसरे के साथ घिसने के बाद ही क्लीन होते हैं. एक अलग होके नहीं क्लीन हो सकते कि नहीं मुझे पॉलिटिक्स नहीं चाहिए तो मैं नहीं घुसूंगी तभी मैं भी क्लीन होंगी, उसको भी क्लीन कर पाऊंगी. ओके मोमिता, डिड यू गेट इट?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So yes, Fuldi, you want to share again something? Otherwise, we'll say good night. I'm not being able to hear Fuldi at all.
No, we are just deeply submerged in this. Your brother-in-law, Babunda,
हाँ.
he is also with me, and what he is saying is, एक तो beautiful Sally, ऊपर से meditation, एकदम पूरे दिन की थकान दूर हो गया ऐसा.
अरे
Kunku, I like your this word, the way you speak and the things you speak. I like them, and actually I hear with you.
Thank you so much, Jija ji. Neha is also sending a laughing smiley. Yes, thank you so much. I'm so blessed that you guys are hearing me.
Beautiful
Yeah.
Sally and meditation means bonus.
Yes. I'm eagerly waiting to see you also, Jijaji. Okay. Fuldi, so you have nothing to say, then I will hang off tonight. Okay. Bye bye, everybody.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night. Thank you.